you for joining me today for our Rukiga lesson number 4. I'm very happy you're here. In Rukiga, we say it as lesson your Rukiga yakana. If you have not yet subscribed, please do it right now, this minute. The first statement is I have no idea. We say it in 2 ways. Tindi kumanya or tinkumanya. Tinkumanya. The next word we're going to cover is I don't know. And it's the same as the previous one. The way we say it is as the previous one. Tindi kumanya or tinkumanya. What if someone is talking to you and you want to say you don't speak Rukiga? You can say, I don't speak Rukiga in 2 ways. Tindi kugamba Rukiga or tinkugamba Rukiga. Another language closely related to Rukiga is Runyankore. How do you say I don't speak Runyankore? It's the same way. Tindi kugamba Runyankore or tinkugamba Runyankore. Sometimes when you go to another country, you can get lost. So how would you say, I am lost? Very simple. Nabura. Nabura. To ask someone what their name is, what is your name, there are 3 ways. Izina ryawe ni riha or noyetwoha or nibakwetoha. And this is how you answer the question, what's your name? My name is Patience. Izina ryanje ni Patience. Izina ryanje ni Patience. There are other ways of saying what your name is. Literally, I am Patience or I am called Patience. Ndi Patience. Ninyetwa Patience. Nibanyeta Patience. How about if someone asks you where you're from? Where are you from? Owanyu ninkahe. Norugahe. Owanyu ninkahe. I am from Uganda. Owitu ni Uganda. Nindugo mu Uganda. Owitu ni Uganda. Ninduga mu Uganda. What's up? Agandi. 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 What are you doing? What are you doing? Nokorachi. Nokorachi. We have 2 ways of saying how about you? How about you? Kandi iwe. Kandi shiwe. Kandi iwe. Kandi shiwe. There are 3 ways of saying I am fine. Nimarunji, the most common way. Nije. Ndio. Sometimes someone may ask you how you're doing and you're like, well, so. The way we say that is mpora mpora. Mpora mpora. Mpora mpora. What if you're not okay? And you won't say you're not doing well. Bad. Nikubi. 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 Here is how you say as always. Nikwentura. Nikok. Nikwentura. Nikokwe. Thanks for listening. Talk soon.